Hey everyone, welcome to Project Ralph. Alright, let's jump straight into the alterations downstairs. So follow me through here because everything you can see here at the moment is going to look very different. All the way back into this space here from when we started is going to be room. So all these walls need to come out to make way for our beautiful new open plan kitchen and living area and a new staircase because we're going up. Yep, we've got a second story going on here. Okay, come for a walk through this end of the house and I'll show you where we're renovating the existing bathroom and ensuite. Also, this room in behind me here is going to turn into the new master bedroom and we're going to cut a nice hole through this wall here to create a walk-in robe into the bedroom behind it. But otherwise, these tired old spaces in here are going to get completely gutted out. Okay, so if we come out here, I'll show you where this second story is going to go. So it's going to overhang out the back here a little bit to create a nice undercover alfresco area. And above me here, we'll have a couple of new bedrooms, living area at the front, and a new main bathroom.